Creating optimal and effective stools frame designs is essential for both functionality and aesthetic. The foundation of any well-designed stool lies in this frame, serving as the backbone that determines sustainability, durability, and overall appeals to being with Aluminium or robust steel's choice, wood elegance with instead use of designs, aesthetic precautions, measurement is the next critical factor, ensuring that the frames provide adequate supports while maintaining a visually pleasing form. A well thought out ergonomic designs enhance user comfort, taking into account factors like seat height, footrest placement, and overall postures. Sports additionally incorporating innovative features such as machines are adjustable height use the constructing the frame contributes significant to the strength and longevity, demanding careful consideration beyond functionality aesthetic aspect of the overall visual appeals, making the stool seamless into various interior style functionally only add a layer of protection but also contribute to stool aesthetic coherence. Meticulous design stools frame seamlessly bends from the function, resulting versatile, durable, and visually pleasing piece of furniture that stand test of time. As well designed stool frame not only sports the weight of users, also add character to overall designs. In this comprehensive guide, we will develop into the key principles of stools frame designs, exploring various materials, construction, techniques are geometry consideration optimize comfort and durability. Either you are dev enthusiast or professional designer, this is the path analysis which provide valuable insight into the intricacies of stools frame engineering from the choice of materials such as wood, metal or plastic, importance of joints, configuration and sustainability factor. We will cover every aspect of guide you will through the process of creating top notch stool frame. Additionally, we will discuss contemporary design trend, customized option and innovative features that can elevate your stool design next level. Join us this journey, master of arts tools frame designs and create pieces that seamlessly blend from the function. We will develop into the anatomy as well design tools frame, discussing the choice of materials, structure consideration and durable materials like steel, hardwood and significance of ergonomic consideration for user comfort. We will got you covered either you are dev enthusiast or a designs. The guide will equip you with the insight to create a functional and visually appealing stool frame. Will dive into the fascinating world of stool designs and unlock the secret as well as craft aesthetically pleasing piece for your home for workshop. Well, we will unveil the intricacies of crafting, studying stylish tools, frames, guiding you through the key elements and that contribute the both form and functions. Either you are woodworking and enthusiast to simply geared to enhance your understanding furniture design, you are a lot of trade to take things that develop into the fundamentals aspect of stools frame constructions. The choice of materials play a pivotal role, determining not only aesthetic appeals but also durable for the final product. Hard Hardwood like oak and maples are popular choice for their strength and longevity. We will touch upon alternative materials for those seeking a more modern, budget friendly approach. Join us in exploring the various designs consideration that can transform a simple stool into the work of art, from the sleek lines, minimalist frame, art the ornate details, traditional styles. We will showcase the range of designs for cater to diverse taste and interior aesthetics. Alongside this, we will discuss ergonomic principles that influence the comfort and usability for your stools, ensuring that not looks good but also feel great to sight on. The devil is not the details, they say, and that could not or when Peter come to generate techniques. We will uncover the secrets behind strong and stable connection, either its classic memories and attention to more modern approaches like protect whole journey. As we progress, we will touch upon the tool and equipment essential for exciting these techniques will precious, making your stool's frame not just a functional pieces but also testament of the craftsmanship. The significance aspect of stool frame designs customization. Join us explore how to tailor your stools fit as practice space and accommodate unique preference from adjustable height machines. The possibilities are vast. We will discuss how to strike right balance between customization and structural integrity, ensuring that your personalized tools stand the test of time. Safety should never be promised. We will dedicate section are essential tips for ensuring your store's frame are just aesthetically pleasing but also meet a state safety standard. These include weight bearing considerations, stability test, and finish that protect against wear and tear. And the bring our journey full crucial. We will showcase inspiring real world examples of stores frame designs from round designer to passionate DIY. These case studies will author a wealth of inspiration, sparking ideas for your next project. Structural integrity and ergonomic consideration only key aspects. Selecting the right materials, opting for high quality durable materials like steel or hardwood can significantly aesthetic tools longevity. The frame structure should be carefully engaged, distribute weight, even preventing instability. Incorporating cross bracing strategy plays sport can frame, promoting sustainability without promising our visual appeal. Additionally, considered ergonomic principles in the designs are contribute to user comfort throughout the year. You can contribute seats approach fosters tools frame designs not only prioritize durability but also pay attention to aesthetic and user comfort, ensuring well balanced and appealing product. The importance of agronomy consideration cannot be overstated. We will examine how thoughtful designs can enhance your experience and promote good postures. Furthermore, we will develop into the intersize joints connection, exploring innovations method maximize sustainability and longevity. Aesthetic play a pivotal role in the appealing of any pieces of furniture, and we will discuss designs element elevate the visual appeal of stool frame while maintaining practically throughout this depth exploration. We will provide practical tips, insight, and real wood guide you can creating stool frames that not only meet but exceed either you are seeing woodworker dev enthusiast. This guide will empower you to design and build stools that stand the test of time, blending seamlessly not a space while offering a parallel comfort and style. The merge of materials takes center stage with the careful selection of woods, metals or fusion of both, each contributing the unique aesthetic and structure process. Join us, we explore the evolution of stool frame aesthetic. We will uncover the secrets behind sustainability and durability, understanding how intelligence engineering transform a mere tools into the durable and reliable